नाश्ते में क्या है? What is there for breakfast? What is there for breakfast? जाओ जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ। Go get ready fast. Go get ready fast. अभी मुझे अपने जूते पॉलिश करने हैं। I have to polish my shoes yet. I have to polish my shoes yet. मैंने तुम्हारे जूते पॉलिश कर दिए हैं। I have polished your shoe. I have polished your shoe. उसके बाद मैं नहाने जाऊंगा। Then I will go and have a bath. Then I will go and have a bath. अब मैं जाकर नाश्ता बनाती हूँ। I will go and prepare the breakfast now. I will go and prepare the breakfast now. आओ नाश्ता कर लो। Come have your breakfast. Come have your breakfast. देर हो रही है। It's getting late. It's getting late. आपके बच्चे बहुत प्यारे हैं। You have lovely children. You have lovely children. मुझे लगता है हम पहले मिल चुके हैं। I think we have met before. I think we have met before. तुम कब पढ़ाई करते हो? When do you study? When do you study? ये लड़का कहाँ पर था? Where was this boy? Where was this boy? मुझे कुछ कहना है। I have to say something. I have to say something. वो घर पर होना चाहिए। He should be at home. He should be at home. मैं तुमसे बेहतर हूँ। I am better than you. I am better than you. ये लड़का कहाँ पर था? Where was this boy? Where was this boy? वो किसका घर है? Whose is that house? Whose is that house? क्या आपने खाना खाया? Did you eat the food? Did you eat the food? आगे से ध्यान रखना। Take care in future. Take care in future. आप इसको एक तरफ रखो। Please keep it aside. Please keep it aside. उसने मुझे समझाया। She made me understand. She made me understand. वहाँ कोई नहीं होगा। There will be no one. There will be no one. ये केवल एक सोच है। This is just a mindset. This is just a mindset. हम रास्ता भूल गए हैं। We have lost our way. We have lost our way. आप कहाँ काम करते हैं? Where do you work? Where do you work? मैं उनसे कभी नहीं मिला हूँ। I have never met him. I have never met him. हम यहाँ सोमवार तक रुकेंगे। We will stay here till Monday. We will stay here till Monday. मुझे उसकी याद आ रही थी। I was missing him. I was missing him. आज कौन सा दिन है? What is the day today? What is the day today? किसने तुम्हें देखा था? Who had seen you? Who had seen you? तुम्हें किसने चोट पहुंचाई? Who hurt you? Who hurt you? मैंने अपनी शर्त रखी। I put my condition. I put my condition. काश तुम मेरे होते। I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. वो घूमने गया था। He had gone for a walk. He had gone for a walk. अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? How are you now? How are you now? खाना अच्छी तरह चबाओ। Chew the food well. Chew the food well. तुम्हें बच्चे पर नजर रखनी पड़ेगी। You must keep an eye on the baby. You must keep an eye on the baby. कल का मौसम अच्छा होगा। विल द वेदर, कल का मौसम अच्छा होगा क्या? विल द वेदर बी गुड टुमारो? विल द वेदर बी गुड टुमारो? तुम रोज कितने बजे उठते हो? What time do you get up every day? What time do you get up every day? तुम नाश्ता कितने बजे लोगे? What time will you have breakfast? What time will you have breakfast? तुम्हारा दोस्त कितने बजे वापस घर गया था? What time did your friend go back home? What time did your friend go back home? मैं अंग्रेजी सीखने को तैयार हूँ। I am ready to learn English. I am ready to learn English. हमने मुनाफे को अपने बीच बांटा। We shared the profits among ourselves. We shared the profit among ourselves. तुम यह किताब नहीं पढ़ो तो बेहतर होगा। You had better not read this book. You had better not read this book. वहां मेरे अलावा और कोई नहीं था। There was no one there besides me. There was no one there besides me. मेरे घर के पीछे एक बगीचा है। There is a garden behind my house. There is a garden behind my house. मैं बारिश की वजह से नहीं आ पाया। I could not come because of rain. I could not come because of rain. वह काम खत्म कर चुकी है। She has finished the work. She has finished the work. हम तुम्हारे साथ शेयर करने चले गए। चले क्या? हम तुम्हारे साथ शेयर करने चले क्या? Should we go for a walk with you? Should we go for a walk with you? मेरे दोस्तों ने मेरा जन्मदिन मनाया। My friends celebrated my birthday. My friends celebrated my birthday. उसके लिए बाहर जाना बहुत जरूरी है। It is very important for him to go out. It is very important for him to go out. बेहतर होगा कि इस बात को अनदेखा किया जाए। It is better to ignore this point. It is better to ignore this point. मुझे लगता है कि तुम गलत हो। It seems to me that you are wrong. It seems to me that you are wrong. यह साबित कर दिया गया कि वह चोर था। It was proved that he was thief. It was proved that he was thief. मैंने प्रथम पुरस्कार जीत लिया। I was able to win the first prize. I was able to win the first prize. मैं कल गांव जा रहा हूँ। I am go to the village tomorrow. I am going to the village tomorrow. यह काम 8 से 10 बजे के बीच हुआ। This work happened between 8 and 10 o'clock. This work happened between 8 and 10 o'clock.